Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to make minced meat and cabbage stew, and here are the ingredients. Mince or grind the meat, then slice the cabbage to tiny strips. Wash thoroughly and leave to strain in a sieve. Then heat up a spoonful of oil. Add the chopped onions and garlic powder. Stir fry a bit, then add the minced meat. Stir fry for 2 minutes until the meat changes from its original color. Now add a little water. Add the sliced cabbage, thyme, curry, 1 stock cube or seasoning powder, and salt to taste. Then mix well and leave to simmer for like 3 to 5 minutes until the meat is done. Now we are going to make a small tomato stew. If you already have tomato stew, you can skip this process. So blend the tomatoes and peppers together, pour into a pot and dry out the excess liquid in it. Now heat up the remaining oil, add the dried out tomato puree, fry a bit, and then dilute the tomato paste with a little water and also add to the pot. Mix well and continue to fry until the oil separates from the stew or the oil rises to the top of the stew. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Also stir the stew constantly to prevent burning at the bottom. Now add the meat and cabbage mixture. Taste for seasoning and salt, adjust if necessary, then stir well and simmer for 5 more minutes. Finally, put off the heat, serve and enjoy with plantains or boiled rice, spaghetti, yams, and the likes. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and also subscribe and check out our website for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.